Hey folks, James Hilliard here with Connection, joined by Craig Burns from HP. As you can tell, we're looking at printers today. If you're looking for a fast, inexpensive, and secure all-in-one, then you might want to check out this HP OfficeJet Pro, the 9020. We'll get into a lot of features here. We're going to go pretty quick, but I want to start off with some of the functions and features we're all going to use. Scanning is one of them. What do we have on the scanning front?
So we have a dual single pass scanner, which means I put a piece of paper, say it has two sides of copy on it, and it scans it at the same time when it goes through.
Okay.
What's really cool about that is it also has built-in duplexing, which is printing on both sides, so that will do that at the same time. Saves on speed.
A lot of time. Let me look at the bezel here. Very flat, easy to lift up one hand. If we scan business cards and receipts, comes right off. You're not fudging out of the little corners to try and pick something up.
I love that feature.
Nice little design feature there. Let's talk about what this can do for us on the print side. I'm talking really here the speeds and feeds.
So 24 pages per minute black or the mono, 20 color. In terms of other specs, just quickly, 250 sheet tray, top and bottom. So 500 total, gives you a full ream of paper. You don't have to split the ream of paper, which is also nice.
And then tell me, what can I get out of the ink cartridges? How long are those going to last?
So they're really easy to change right in the front. Black, looking at 3,000 pages. And the color cartridges, which is 3 colors, so it's nice if one runs out, you don't have to replace the whole thing. Roughly 1,600 pages.
Let's talk about some of the internal things. First off, connectivity. This machine has some aspects that aren't always found on this class.
So really nice connectivity, important to the customer, the user. Wi-Fi direct, which is basically phone directly to the printer. Ethernet connection, so I can connect locally to the network if I'm in an office situation. And just straight USB, peer-to-peer.
All right, perfect. Nice. Single office, right? You sit on down, connect your machine.
Any way you want to connect this, it's simple and easy, and you can do it.
Let's talk about something HP is known for in terms of its hardware, and that is security.
So this machine has built in, and again, like the Wi-Fi and like the features we've already spoken about, security. And what I mean by that is, number one, we have to secure the printer. So that's if there's any malware, if something's attacked the printer on startup and continuously, we call it runtime, it monitors if any changes in that BIOS or firmware, and we'll fix it. So that's automatic. It also has something really, really cool. It's new. It's what we call HP Secure Erase. Anything with glass that scans is a memory card. That erases it automatically. You can set it as an administrator how many times a day you want to do that, or from your phone, the smart app, which we'll talk about later. I want to erase that memory. As an administrator, I can do that.
And secure erase, my understanding is some of these machines will hold on to those images forever. You send it out for repair, you might be sending out sensitive data, HIPAA-related data, things like that.
Absolutely.
Let's talk about this app, right? Because that is something new and modern. Show me what it is and what can we generally do with it.
So I'm going to just turn on my phone right there. So there's the app. And basically just an app button in the front of my machine. You can scroll. And really what this does, it lets me see the printer, monitor it, so I can monitor print levels, connectivity of the printer. I can connect to other printers if I like. If the ink does run out, this is really cool, or it's getting low, I can order it directly from my phone by just a press of the button. It's called HP Instant Ink. Be sent to my office or home or wherever I have it set up to be. This also allows me, a lot of people, we talk about workflow, we talk about Google Docs, QuickBooks. I can print using my app directly from those applications to the printer. So say you're back in the office. I can say, you can say, hey, I need that document quick.
Got a meeting.
Boom, I pull it up on my phone, my smart app. It prints out at the office for you.
I don't have to receive it, then go and print it itself, so that you cut down some time and workflow. As I mentioned, folks, lots of features in this. This is the HP OfficeJet Pro, the 9020. If you want more information about this device, I encourage you to visit connection.com/HP.